Hey, this is Doug from DOUGandNIKI. I'm here in the outdoor testing studio. Up here above me, you're starting to watch me fly this cool new drone from Dynalog. This is the DG600C. In this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fly it. You're gonna get to enjoy that fun stuff, see what the images look like, and then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna do a review of it, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of it, and then finally, if you're still interested in wanting to know more about it, you can, at the end, watch the unboxing and we'll talk about the details and features of it. Let's go watch it fly. Hey, this is Doug from DOUGandNIKI. I'm here in the indoor studio because it's newly finished and air conditioned and it was hot outside. I wanted to talk to you about this drone because this drone has really actually grown on me and exceeded all my expectations. This thing, although it seems very lightweight, I know I told you in the review I really love the color, I think it looks cool, has done exceptionally well for an entry-level drone with non-brushless. These are brushed motors, very conventional gear-driven brushed motors. It is not horribly powerful, but the app is really pretty good. The features are good. It's intuitive, easy to work with. I do recommend, as with any of these, definitely go through the steps of resetting the gyros and the compass and all that stuff, but it's very easy on this particular drone to do that. Once you do that, I found it flew very well. The return to home was spot on. The GPS was good. A couple times I flew it out of range just to see what it would do, and it did come back. I have to say, definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Impressed with this cool little entry-level drone. All right, let's go to that unboxing. Hey, welcome to the past. I know you watched it fly. You must have watched the review, thought it was interesting enough that you wanted to know what comes in this box. So I am opening it up for the first time myself at this point. You've seen much more than I know in real time here. But so this is a very classic conventional 4K drone with lots of features. Follow me, it has GPS, return to home, all those kinds of features, FPV, so you can see what you're... Oh, I will say this is a very cool looking drone. Look at that, I really like this. I love that it is like not that conventional, boring. They're all like kind of this dark gray. This is this cool kind of like a light gray. It is a very, very light construction, I could tell you that much. Almost to the point that I think it's a little too light, but you know, you've already seen it fly, you've already seen the review, so you know what I thought thought about it after I used it. These are not brushless motors, I do not believe. It's a full HD camera, but it is not gimbaled, so you can adjust it up and down, but it is not a stabilizing gimbal. I do know it has a headless mode, which means it'll fly if you're new to drones, it'll fly in whatever direction you point it on your remote, which is a nice feature. Here we have spare blades, some hardware for replacing the some hardware for replacing the blade. I do see 2 chargers, which I am always a fan of, so that we can charge both batteries at the same time. What do you say we take a look at the batteries and see what they're like? Here are the batteries. They are a modular complete battery, so you can see what that looks like. It's going to just charge via those 2 USBs. And here's the remote. Oh, and this remote is nice again. Again, same thing. I'm going to say this is kind of very plasticky, kind of feels a little cheap, but at the same time, I really like the color. I like the function. It's got all the GPS, the return home, headless button, compass bearing, takeoff landing, single touch. You have your controls for photo, video, all those kind of things. All the standard things you would expect, and obviously it comes with an instruction manual. I highly recommend you read them, because somebody in the factory is like, I can mess with them by changing one control. And so this makes it much easier. You don't get surprised when you're out there flying it. Overall, this seems like a really nice, good balance of quality for what it costs and that kind of stuff. You saw the review already. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.